Ano, wala kang organizational chart? Nako, nalilito ka na ba anak? Hindi mo matandaan kung si Kim ba ang in charge sa marketing or si Jane. Tapos, sino na nga ba ang mag-handle ng customer service? Ganyan din ako noon. I thought that since my business was still small, I did not need an organizational chart. Pero nung lumaki na kami, nagkagulo-gulo na. Diba? It's so frustrating when you don't know who to approach for what. And the lesson I learned is this. An organizational chart is like your business's family tree. Hindi pwedeng basta-basta lang. Let me share how I created the system. First, list all the roles in your business. Marketing, sales, customer service, operations, at iba pa. And then group them according to function. Sino ang magre-report kanino? Pangalawa, clear responsibilities dapat. For example, Jane is a social media manager. Dapat alam niya kung anong mga tasks niya at kaninong department head siya magre-report, right? Pag maayos ang chart mo, walang sisihan, walang confusion at lahat productive. So remember, hindi lang ito para sa mga malalaking business ha. Kahit na small business ka pa, mas maganda na organize ka na from the start para pag lumaki na ang business mo, hindi ka na mahirapan. Kaya mo yan. Magiging game changer to sa business mo. And then, you will be business-minded, Pinoy.